Hey everyone, welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your trusted pit stop for honest car upgrades, gear reviews, and performance insights. If you drive a Toyota 4Runner, you know how important great headlights are, not just for visibility, but for safety and style. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best headlights for Toyota 4Runner, tested and reviewed for every generation. From classic halogens to modern LED projector setups, we'll help you find the perfect fit for your model year. So stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's light up your ride. Number 5. Headlight Replacement Set. For owners of newer models, this 2014 to 2018 Toyota 4Runner headlight replacement set offers a clean factory look and excellent performance. It comes as a pair, driver and passenger sides, and is designed to meet or exceed OEM standards. The lights are engineered to deliver crisp brightness that significantly improves visibility during both nighttime and rainy conditions. The clear polycarbonate lenses combined with robust housing ensure resistance to impact, fading, and moisture. Installation is straightforward, everything aligns perfectly with factory mounting points. Users appreciate the high-quality seal that prevents condensation, keeping the headlights looking new even after months of use. This set is ideal for anyone looking to restore their vehicle's original lighting performance without compromising on fit, finish, or reliability. Number 4. Nilight Headlights Assembly. The Nilight Headlights Assembly is a fantastic option for Toyota 4Runner owners from 2006 to 2009 seeking dependable performance and stylish design. Nilight, known for its off-road lighting solutions, brings that same rugged quality into this headlamp set. Featuring a black housing and amber reflector, it enhances your SUV's front-end look while offering superior illumination at night. Drivers often praise how bright and consistent the beam pattern is, especially compared to aged OEM headlights. These assemblies are made from high-strength polycarbonate lenses that resist cracking and yellowing, ensuring long-term clarity. Installation is quick and simple with OEM-fit connectors, and no extra modifications are needed. Perfect for both daily driving and light off-road use, Nilight delivers the right mix of style, safety, and durability at a competitive price. Number 3. AKKON LED DRL Projector Headlights. If you're aiming for a modern, aggressive look while improving night visibility, the AKKON LED DRL projector headlights for 2006 to 2009 Toyota 4Runners are a standout choice. These headlights feature a sleek black housing with built-in LED daytime running lights, DRL, that give your vehicle a premium, updated aesthetic similar to newer SUVs. The projector lens technology provides a focused and uniform light beam, dramatically improving nighttime visibility compared to stock reflectors. Users report enhanced road clarity, especially on dark rural roads or off-road trails. Installation is straightforward, a plug-and-play process that fits directly into the factory mounting points. In terms of construction, AKKON uses high-quality materials for durability, UV protection, and moisture resistance, ensuring the lights maintain their sharp appearance for years. Whether you're upgrading for safety or style, these headlights deliver both, making them one of the best LED projector options available for mid-2000s 4Runners. Number 2. AmeriLite Replacement Halogen Headlights. The AmeriLite replacement halogen headlights are an excellent upgrade for older 1996 to 1998 Toyota 4Runner models that need a lighting refresh. This complete set includes corner lamps and mounting brackets, ensuring a perfect OEM-style fit and easy installation. Each unit is built with DOT/SAE compliance, meaning it meets strict safety and brightness standards for road use. The black housing design adds a modern touch to your classic 4Runner, giving it a refreshed, aggressive front-end appearance. Users frequently mention how simple the installation process is, even for those with minimal mechanical experience, everything lines up seamlessly. On the road, these headlights deliver consistent illumination with wide coverage, improving visibility during nighttime and foggy conditions. For drivers who want a cost-effective yet high-quality headlight replacement, the AmeriLite set is a great balance between affordability and OEM-level reliability. Plus, with their plug-and-play compatibility, you'll be back on the road with brighter, safer lighting in no time. Number 1. AKKON Replacement Headlights. The AKKON OE-style replacement headlights are a top choice for 4Runner owners who want to restore factory-fresh visibility and style. Designed for Toyota 4Runner sport SUVs, these headlights come as a complete driver and passenger side pair, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation without any modifications. Built with OEM-grade materials, the lens offers strong protection against UV damage and road debris, maintaining clarity even after years of use. The chrome housing enhances light reflection, providing a clear and consistent beam pattern for nighttime driving. Many users appreciate that the lights fit snugly with existing mounts and wiring, making them a true plug-and-play replacement. Performance-wise, these headlights deliver brilliant illumination similar to original factory standards, ensuring both style and safety on the road. Whether you're replacing cloudy old lamps or doing a full front-end refresh, the AKKON set gives your 4Runner a clean, refreshed OEM look with reliable performance. Thanks for watching this review of the best headlights for Toyota 4Runner. We hope it helps you choose the right upgrade for your SUV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to catch more detailed reviews, automotive tips, and installation guides every week. Drop a comment below telling us which headlight you liked best, or what product you'd like us to review next. This is Automotive Widgets, helping you drive smarter, safer, and brighter. See you in the next video.